Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to disable read receipts on Threads app. So to do that, let's head over to our Threads. So once you are there, as you can see, I'm in my Threads. So what I will do is just to head over to the top two lines and then head over to privacy. Now go to other privacy settings. As you can see, some settings apply to both Threads and Instagram and can be managed on Instagram. So head over to other privacy settings. And once you're there, go to scroll down and go to message and story replies. And here you will find your show read receipts in who can see that your online section. And here turn it off. And yeah, so this is how you can turn off or disable receipts on Threads app via Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.